everyone, another project. Alice in WonderPAN. This is the project pan. Oh my gosh. Well, I only put in 3 prompts, so let's dig in. I did hit my usage on this ColourPop blush in Cheek Dew. Used this 5 more times. This was in recent project pans. Now it was in this project pan, and now I think I'm gonna take a big break on this. I do like it, but I think I like it in the winter time, because it just adds a little bit more pinky on my cheeks, and I want to be more neutral in the hotter months. That's how I roll with my cheeks. I want to be more neutral and calm down on the pigment, even though I have like really light. See, this is what I looks like. Yeah. That's what I look like in person. And then you come here and then I'm just like whiter. So this is I met my goal. I'm taking a break on this. Okay, No Pore Blend Primer from Touch in Soul. This is in this kind of packaging. And I need to finish this. That's what my goal is, to finish. I was to the yellow, now I'm to the white. Yes, this is to finish. There you go. Still using it. And the last one is Freeman Beauty Infuse. I use this like every time. I don't use this as a mask. I just use it as another face wash, because I tend to not like charcoal face mask as much. So that's a big gap here that I used, and I'm pretty happy about that. So this is what I have left. So I'm excited. I want to finish this. And the prompt, so I'm gonna roll in another prompt since I used 5 times on that one. So I picked out a prompt, and that is Alice. So it's like prompt number 1. Alice, a childlike product, scent, flavor, packaging, etc. So, the Powerpuff Girls. I love this show. I still love this show to this day. Catching up on the newer seasons, I don't think it did very good, because when they stop making something and they try to release it like 20 years later or so, 10 years later, the new generation does not care. All they care about is iPads, iPhones, and all that. So this is my childhood product, and this is ColourPop Powerpuff Girls blush in Saving the World. So it's in the heart, so that's childish packaging completely, and I love it. And it's like an orangey, but it's really light, and I like it. I like it a lot. And it blends in really good. So yeah, I cannot wait to use more of this blush. I have a lot of like blush and highlighters going into this month. I see everything, so it's gonna be big. It's gonna be big. So that is what it looks like again. So I'm just using the 3 prompts. I want to use that around 5 to 10 times. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I really do like that. And yeah, that is it for Alice in WonderPAN. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.